I avoid 5 foods and my body is 30 years younger. Harvard genetics professor David Sinclair. Ready to know about 5 foods that kept Professor David Sinclair 30 years younger? Welcome back to my channel. Today we've picked something absolutely fascinating and potentially life-changing. Have you ever thought about how what you eat could actually reverse the aging process? Yes, you've heard that right. Reverse aging. We're talking about insights from none other than Harvard genetics professor David Sinclair, a leading expert in a field of aging. And guess what? It's all about avoiding certain foods to keep your body young and healthy. So buckle up, because we are about to embark on a journey to understand how ditching 5 specific foods can make your body feel 30 years younger. Before we share this secret, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button so that you never miss secret health tips. Before the foods, let's talk a bit about who David Sinclair is. He's not just any scientist. He's a professor of genetics at Harvard Medical School and has spent years researching aging. His work is groundbreaking, and it's all about understanding how we can slow down or even reverse aging. Now let's get into the juicy part. The 5 foods that Professor Sinclair suggests we avoid. And trust me, some of these might surprise you. Number 1. Refined sugar. First up, refined sugar. The one might not be a huge surprise, but its impact is massive. Sinclair points out that sugar, especially in its refined form, can cause havoc in our bodies. It's not just about weight gain. It's about how sugar can accelerate aging by affecting our cellular processes. Cutting out refined sugar can reduce inflammation and help our cells function more youthfully. Think about all the hidden sugars in sodas, candies, and even some healthy snacks. It's everywhere. But by cutting it out, you're taking a huge step towards a younger, healthier you. Number 2. Processed meats. Next on the list, processed meats. Yep, I'm talking about those deli slices, sausages, and hot dogs. Sinclair notes that these foods are not only high in unhealthy fats, but also contain preservatives that can be harmful to our bodies. These meats can cause inflammation and oxidative stress, which are big no-nos when it comes to aging. So what's the alternative? Well, going for plant-based protein sources or lean, unprocessed meats can be a great start. Number 3. Trans fats. Number 3. Trans fats. These are the real bad guys in the world of fats, found in many fried and baked goods. Trans fats can wreak havoc on your cellular health. Sinclair warns that these fats can lead to increased bad cholesterol levels and lower good cholesterol, which accelerates the aging process. Plus, they're terrible for heart health. Instead, focus on healthy fats like those found in avocados, nuts, and olive oil. Your heart and cells will thank you. Number 4. Excessive alcohol. Moving on to number 4. Excessive alcohol. Now this doesn't mean that you have to give up your occasional glass of red wine. In fact, Sinclair points out that moderate red wine consumption can be beneficial due to resveratrol. But excessive alcohol intake, that's a big no. It can dehydrate you, disrupt your sleep, and impact your liver function, all of which contribute to faster aging. Hydration is key. Opt for water or hydrating non-alcoholic beverages to keep your body at its best. Number 5. High sodium foods. Last but not least, high sodium foods. While we do need some salt in our diet, too much can lead to high blood pressure and strain on your organs. This in turn speeds up aging. Sinclair advises to watch out for hidden sodium in processed and packed foods. Cooking at home and being mindful of the salt you add to your food can make a huge difference. It's all about balance. But wait, there's more to it. While avoiding these 5 foods is a fantastic start, let's not forget the importance of an overall balanced diet. Professor Sinclair's research doesn't just stop at what to avoid. It also highlights what to embrace for a youthful body. A. Embrace whole foods. Whole foods are your best friends here. We're talking fruits, vegetables, whole grains, nuts, and seeds, foods that are as close to their natural state as possible. These foods are packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that help combat the sign of aging. They support your body's natural ability to repair and regenerate. B. Hydration is keys. And don't forget about water. Staying hydrated is crucial. Water helps maintain skin elasticity, aids in digestion, and keeps your organs functioning optimally. It's a simple yet powerful tool in your anti-aging arsenal. Now let's take a moment to discuss the science behind all this. Why do these foods cause our bodies to age faster? It all comes down to how they affect our cells. Foods high in sugar, bad fats, and sodium can cause inflammation at a cellular level. This inflammation is like a constant stress signal, causing our cells to wear out faster. Professor Sinclair's research explains how certain lifestyle choices, including diet, can influence our genes. It's not just about the food itself, but how our body reacts to it on the genetic level. This field of study is known as nutrigenomics, and it's fascinating. This brings us to another critical point: the power of personalized nutrition. Everyone's body reacts differently to various foods. What works for one person may not work for another. Listening to your body and understanding how it responds to different foods is crucial. This is where keeping a food diary or consulting with a nutritionist can be incredibly helpful. Let's recap one last time. Avoid refined sugars, processed meats, trans fats, excessive alcohol, and high sodium foods. Embrace whole foods, stay hydrated, and listen to your body. Combine this with the holistic approach to health, and you're setting yourself up for a youthful, vibrant life. Remember, it's never too late to start making changes. Your body is an incredible machine, capable of remarkable rejuvenation. Take good care of it, and it will take care of you. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about health, nutrition, and wellness, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who might find it helpful. And as always, I love hearing from you. Drop a comment below about what changes you're planning to make or any topics you'd like me to cover in future videos. Stay healthy, stay young at heart, and I'll see you in the next video.